If you suffer from issues of constipation, prostrate, or colon, that means your root chakra could be blocked. At the same time, if you're somebody who's not very courageous, questions their purpose and their place on this earth, questions their stability, their security in their mind, is always fearful or scared that they would be left alone, left abandoned, or have different fears like, what if all my family members die someday? Then again, this is a sign that your root chakra could be blocked. If you also struggle with issues of willpower and issues of discipline, then that means your root chakra is blocked. But before you reach discipline, it is important that you reach willpower. So if you have a weak willpower, you've been wanting to quit a certain addiction, you've been wanting to do something, but you're not able to do it, then your root chakra is the first thing that you should be tackling. If you're overtly or under-sexual and not really confident of your sexual self, then again, this is a sign that your root chakra could be blocked. If you have a flight, fight, or a freeze coping mechanism, then again, this is a sign that your root chakra could be blocked. If you also struggle with issues of willpower and issues of discipline, then that means your root chakra is blocked. You've been wanting to quit a certain addiction, you've been wanting to do something, but you're not able to do it, then your root chakra is the first thing that you should be tackling. If you have trust issues and you struggle with personal integrity and you struggle with setting a goal and completing it, then again, it is a sign that your root chakra could be blocked. Since root chakra or Muladhara chakra is the first chakra that is developed in our body, it is often related to issues of development. And often this chakra is imbalanced ever since our childhood only, because we learn more about stability, love, trust, all from our childhood. This is the first most important chakra that you should be working upon. And once this is going to be balanced, you will see a great difference in your life. The color associated with root chakra is red, so wear more of reds. Include red food in your diet, which is tomatoes, beetroots, cherries, strawberries, and eat more of root vegetables. You can keep herbs like ashwagandha under your pillow daily while sleeping, and that's also going to help you balance the root chakra. You can also use a mix of essential oils like sandalwood and rosemary to balance your root chakra. If you're somebody who believes in crystals, then try wearing a red jasper or bloodstone to balance your root chakra. If you're somebody who enjoys chanting, then the beach mantra that I'm going to give you now is the most effective in balancing the root chakra. The beach mantra is called Lam. How are you supposed to chant it? Sit in a meditative position. At the base of your spine, imagine again a red wheel or a red circle. And while you're chanting, imagine that spinning. And how are you going to chant? I'm going to show you now. Lam, Lam. So continue chanting like this for at least 21 times for 21 days to see any difference. Then walking barefoot on the grass daily for at least 10 to 15 minutes, it's going to do wonders to your root chakra. And if you pair it up with right affirmations, then it's going to be even better. I'm sorry, my dog wanted to be in the video, so here he is. Then what you can also do is you can try affirmations for the root chakra. So I'm going to give you a couple of affirmations here. I feel centered. I trust and love myself. I believe in myself. My body is my home. I am safe and secure within me. I have the courage to implement all plans and all wishes of mine. And while you're doing anything, the art is also in visualizing. When you're eating good food, when you're affirming, when you're chanting, just visualize the red wheel spiraling, at the base of your spine. And while you do so, just imagine that you are unblocking your root chakra. Lastly, some of you may also have it overactive. That is that you're over courageous, you're over bold, which may come across as brash and wrong to certain people. Or you may be extremely bratty in your nature. You're somebody who has too strong of a willpower. If that is the case, then you need to again balance your chakras and make it less active. And all these suggestions are going to work for that as well.